Hey guys, it's Lola. For today, I picked up this cute sweatshirt. I'm not really sure what kind of makeup I should wear. So let's start. As you guys can see, I'm having a lot of breakouts everywhere. On my forehead, on my chin, oh my god. This is all because I haven't slept well recently. So let's start with the foundation. I'll be using this BB cream because I'm going to spend a lot of time outside and I want my skin to be really protected from the sun. So in that case, I normally use BB cream because it always includes sun protection. This one is 30. And let's cover a bit more on the breakout spots. This concealer from Maybelline. It's being too light. Actually, to cover some pimples and these breakouts, it's actually better to pick a bit darker color. I think I picked the wrong one, but that's okay. I'm going to just blend it, everything. And using the thin edge, I'm going to draw the line in the nose too. I was thinking to use a lot of blush today. I am thinking doing a bit of overdo on my cheek. Before I do the powder, let's put the blusher on. Oh god, I think I'm just going to use this one. This one actually is from KKW Beauty, on the Kim Kardashian's brand. And I'm using the Marc Jacobs Livido. I love this color. And let's put on the powder. And let's curl our lashes. And I'll applying mascara. My lash has been curled up really tight. Oh, it's all over my eyelid. kind of like these lashes because I normally don't curl my lashes this much, but I just wanted to try something different. Okay, while I wait for it to dry, I'm going to do the eyeshadow. Yes, I was supposed to do the eyeshadow before by putting up the mascara, but that's okay because I'm going to apply like several more layers of mascara this time. I think I'm gonna go pink and purple. So this eyeshadow, aren't these colors look pretty? These are like little jewels. I'll be using this pink as the base. So this pink has a hint of purple in it, which the color exactly I was looking for. And it also has this fine pearl, so it actually is glittery. I look super pink. So second layer, I'll be using this dark purple right here, and I'll be putting this on outer side of my eye. To create some depth, and also put this on the inner side to draw an outline with this purple shadow. Let's go a bit darker with purple on the other side. And for the highlight, I'm going to use this glittery eyeshadow from Fenty Beauty. Oh my god. Since the first time I used this, I cannot stop using this eyeshadow because, oh god, these colors are so perfect. Oh god, because every color are so perfect. Like when I actually saw it first time, some of color kind of looks like over the top, but once you apply it, oh god, the colors are beautiful. It's just so beautiful. So what color should I because it's a purple and it's going to be a highlight, so let me go with this icy color. Put this on the center. Okay, so this is it for the eyeshadow, and let's do another layer of mascara. And while I wait for it to dry, eyebrows. I'm never gonna get used to drawing the eyebrow. Okay, final layer of mascara. And let it dry before I apply the outline. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another layer of blush. And what also I am going to do with this brown eyebrow pencil, it doesn't have to be eyebrow pencil, but just something to give a little shadow under eye. Like I'm going to create a little eye bag under eye, like squint your eye and just throw a thin line where you see the shadow. I don't know, maybe it's a Korean thing. We do this to look a bit more younger, because there's younger, like cute looking younger girls, they have this under eye popped out, so they make like cute smiles. And to make it really popped out, I'm going to apply the highlighter. Oh my god, it's all broken. And let's do the eyeline. The most important part is from the brand name Clio, which is really popular in Korea. And it's waterproof brush liner, Kill Black. It's the Kill Black color, so it must be like super dark black. So it's a pointy brush eyeliner. This is really this type of eyeliner is really convenient to draw eyeline. It's kind of hard to mess up during the shape. Oh, yes, I like it. Oh, nice. Oh god, I love this eyeliner. For lips, I'm going to use yes, it's going to be pink, but I don't want to go too bright with it, so I think I'm going to blend two different colors. So I'll be using this one from Too Faced, Melted Metal, and I'm going to put this on inner side of a lid. Just applying this color, it already looks so pretty, the color itself. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this nude tone from MAC. It's a Creme de Nude color. I'm going to apply this on the outer side. And for the last, let's do the highlighter. So back to this highlighter here. Okay, done. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.